Hello everyone, my name is Jack. I'm from Year 12B and I'm currently in the engineering track. I would like to share with you my experiences here at SBS International School as a scholarship student. Well, we were looking for different options for international schools in Chiangmai, and we found SBS International School. We found that it not only has a respectable academic track record, but also very good scholarships. We applied, and upon being met with one of the most warm, kind, and welcoming staff that helped us through the application process and the visa process, we were convinced that SBS International School was the right choice, and I became an SBS International School student. The support has been amazing. All the teachers are really kind, always there to help, even if at times they seem to be very busy with their schedules. And this applies not only to teachers, but also to staff from all the departments in SBS, from the visa staff, to the admissions, to even the registrar, I found. But also, I find that teachers in SBS International School go above and beyond. They will at times cancel what they have to do to go out of their way and help us. That is how I feel about the support I've received in SBS International School. Well, to be really honest, I do not think there is much advice to give. SBS International School is already a very good school. I would say to any students who may have doubts about joining SBS International School for one reason or another, that I can assure you, you will be met with one of the most diverse yet warm and welcoming communities. This might be cliche, but it's true, in all of Chiang Mai, I believe. That's all from me. Thank you for watching and see you at SBS.